the things that saves the energy.
Smart city is a technical thing that is made up of sustainable things which helps in business.
There are many benefits of smart cities such as reduced environment pollution, improvement of transportation, efficient use of energy. So these are some of the benefits. There are many benefits of smart city. The things included in our project are wind energy, smart swing, smart dustbin, solar building and smart street light. Now let us see the working of a project.
This is windmill. When the wind turbine moves, the wind force will convert into the electric energy.
This helps us to save the electrical energy and make the use of wind force. Next is solar building. The solar building makes use of the sunlight which turns the solar energy or the sunlight into electrical energy that can help us to light the building or use the electrical appliances.
This is smart street light. Here the materials used are sensors, wires, Arduino Uno, batteries. When the sun rays fall on the sensor, automatically the street light will get off, and from the evening there will be no sunlight. So that time automatically the street lights will on.
As you can see, when there is no sunlight.
Let us start with the windmill. When the windmill will move, the wind force will convert into electric energy.
With this, we can make the use of wind force and turn it into light energy and use it for the electrical appliances. Next is the solar building, which has solar panels. This makes use of the sunlight. Due to sunlight, when the sunlight is turned into the electrical energy, it supplies to the appliances and also lights up the building. With this, we can make use of the sun resource and use it for the electricity.
This is smart street light. Here first we have to on the switch. Here the materials used are Arduino Uno, wires and sensors and battery. When the sun rays fall on the sensor, the street light will get automatically off, and when there is no sun rays, the street lights will get automatically on.
Now let's start with the smart dustbin. This smart dustbin is made up of switch, battery and buzzer. The smart dustbin has a platform inside it. So when the garbage is filled and the platform touches the switch, it automatically starts beeping. So when the garbage is removed and the platform comes up, the buzzer stops beeping, and this is how we can stop the overflow of the garbage. This is a smart swing. As we know, kids play in the park and they use a lot of energy to play in the park. So when the swing, now we have a smart swing. So when the swing is taken back and it moves front, the electricity is generated. So as you can see, the kinetic energy is converted into